Hey everybody, Chris here. Dogecoin trading well today. Big news about Dogecoin Futures Trading. We're going to get into that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we were live Wednesday night where I broke the story on YouTube about Coinbase applying to the CFTC for Dogecoin Futures Trading, along with Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, all proof-of-work cryptocurrencies. That's right. So we'll get into it. Let's take a closer look. I'll show you what I'm looking at. We're going to start here on X Twitter. This is my account, at ChrisPax. Be sure to follow me. And I'm having this fun thing about Crypto March Madness 2024. Fun thing for crypto engagement. Do check that out. We have the first match underway in March Madness. It's Dogecoin against Shiba Inu. Please be sure to vote. You guys know what to do. And I also have the overall bracket shown. So we'll be doing this every day. There'll be a new match starting at noon Eastern time. And we are going to do March Madness with crypto. It's going to be fun. Here's where Dogecoin is now, 15.5 cents. It's been hitting this red resistance line at about 15.69. That's right. We hit it early this morning and then again just now at noon. So tough to get over that resistance line, but Dogecoin's in the green. Bitcoin is in the red. That's right. We have Dogecoin outperforming Bitcoin here. Dogecoin now up 18% over the last 24 hours. Jasmy's the bigger winner though, up 26.7. We were actually talking about Jasmy last night during the live stream as well, because there's a lot going on. Don't miss out on the gains. Buy in, buy the dips, and wait for this huge crypto explosion that's going to be coming this year. That's what we've been talking about on this channel, so be sure to follow that. But Dogecoin right now, that's right, Dogecoin is holding its own, doing very well. And why is that? Well, this is the Bitcoin Systemi article that I broke during the live stream. Coinbase applies to launch futures trading for Dogecoin and the two other altcoins, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. That's right, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has filed with the CFTC to launch futures trading in Doge. And here is what that application was for. And it's really interesting here. And we'll get into this in a minute, but this is called self-certification. It says that right here. We'll get into that and what that is. Here is another article from the block. Coinbase to launch futures trading, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. And it's going to start right around April 1st is what they've said. This is really interesting because the three coins were all derived from Bitcoin. They're all proof-of-work cryptocurrencies. And Bitcoin has already been considered to be a commodity by the SEC. So what Coinbase did is they've applied with the CFTC, the Commodities Commission, for this quick listing and the self-certification here. Dogecoin might have begun as a joke, but now it's getting serious attention. Coinbase Derivatives plans to kick off futures trading for the top dog and meme coins, along with Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. On March 7th, through 3 separate letters to the CFTC, I just showed you the Dogecoin one, Crypto Exchange announced its intention to launch monthly cash-settled futures contracts. This is huge. There's already an ETH one. There's been a BTC one. They've been around for a while. But this is interesting for Doge, though. Coinbase highlighted in these 3 letters that it's leveraging the self-certification route under CFTC Regulation 40.2a. Procedure permits exchanges to introduce new offerings without awaiting direct CFTC approval. Given that all 3 cryptos stem from Bitcoin, which the SEC recognizes as a commodity, their classification raises interesting regulatory questions. Here's another article on Cointelegraph. Coinbase to launch Doge futures says that Doge has transcended its meme origins. I think that's awesome. This is what we've been talking about for a while, how Dogecoin is different than all of these other meme tokens, and just one event after another is legitimizing Dogecoin as a true cryptocurrency. That's what we have going on here. Dogecoin's enduring popularity and the active community support suggests that it has transcended its origins as a meme to become a staple of the cryptocurrency world. That is awesome. James Seifert on X has said, "This is interesting. Wonder if the SEC objects to these being classified as commodities futures versus securities futures. These all forked from Bitcoin, so these are securities claims would be hard to make after the spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. Might be why Coinbase chose them." So it's really interesting that Coinbase is doing this with these three particular cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin in particular, which last year when there was all this thing that SEC was going after exchanges for listing unregulated securities, and exchanges were dropping tokens from their listings, and we even had Robinhood following up and delisting like Solana and ADA. But Dogecoin was never mentioned in any of that. And at that time, I was saying Dogecoin is not a security. It is just like Bitcoin. It's also a commodity. So it is very interesting that this is happening. And you wonder, like, or a lot of people are wondering, like, what is futures trading? And you can go in, and this is Investopedia has an article on what is futures trading. I don't do futures trading at all, but a lot of people do and are very successful with that. This is Bitcoin and ETH have had futures trading for quite a while. Interesting where ETH is right now, because when ETH was approved for futures trading, it was a proof of work cryptocurrency. But now that it's transitioned over to proof of stake, the SEC doesn't like that. And they appear to be going after Ether now and the Ethereum Foundation because of that change, which may move ETH from the commodity bucket into a security bucket. And I think the SEC is probably going to go after that. It'll be interesting to see how that plays out. But for Dogecoin, well, for Doge, this is awesome news, and you can see the price is responding to that today because this is big news. And additionally, some analysts think that if these applications begin to be traded smoothly, it could pave the way for futures ETFs. That's right. We could see Dogecoin now going into the world of these ETFs. Not quite like Bitcoin's has just been, but more like what the Grayscale Bitcoin Futures ETF was, which is what got that all started to then have these Bitcoin spot ETFs get approved this year in this huge trading of Bitcoin ETFs through the likes of BlackRock and Fidelity. Wouldn't that be awesome to have Dogecoin be with BlackRock and Fidelity? Getting ahead of ourselves, though, one step at a time. This is huge for Doge to be listed with futures contracts. All very exciting. So we'll see how that plays out. Dogecoin now, as I'm recording, is breaking up above this resistance line here, up to 15.8. Join me Friday at 5 o'clock for my next live stream. I might even start an hour earlier again at 4 o'clock like I did on Wednesday, because there's so much to cover, so much going on. Also, again, check out Crypto March Madness on X Twitter. Having a lot of fun with that. So much going on. This is great for Doge, though. Let me know what you think in the comments below about Dogecoin futures trading and the possibility of ETFs in the future. what this might mean for Dogecoin. We'll explore that more in the live stream. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.